Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with another video where I will be talking about how you can know if WhatsApp is down today or not. So if you are facing issues while using WhatsApp, if you are not able to send messages, or if you have already sent messages but they are not getting delivered to the other person, there is a lot that you can do to fix this issue. And you can also check if WhatsApp server is down today or not. So stay tuned till the end and try all the troubleshooting steps that I'm going to explain in this video. Alright, so first of all, if you are facing issues in posting any status or sending any messages or any video file or audio file on WhatsApp, what you need to do is first of all just go to the App Store of your device. Whether you are using Android or iOS, you need to go to the App Store or Google Play Store, and then you need to search for the WhatsApp app. And as you can see, if any update is available, you need to install that, and this will fix all the glitches that you are facing. So this is the first step that you need to take. So simply update your app if you haven't updated it already. All right, this is for both the users. And even if after updating the app, if you are still facing the issues, or in case your WhatsApp messenger was already updated, then in that case what you can do is you just need to go to the settings section of your device, and for Android users you need to clear the cache as well as the data, and for iOS users you need to offload the app, then you need to reinstall it. All right, for that you need to go to settings and then search for the WhatsApp app. Once you are here on the WhatsApp app, so you have to go to settings on your iOS device, and then you have to go to the general section, and here you need to tap on iPhone storage. Now here either you can use this option that says offload unused apps, so this will automatically uninstall the unused apps, but in case if you regularly use any app like WhatsApp, you need to search for it. And now from here you simply can offload this app and then you can reinstall it. So this will free up some storage space used by the app, but it will not delete any of its data. All right, so you can also follow this step, and after that you can try sending the messages again to see if the problem got fixed or not. Now if this also doesn't solve the problem, what you need to do next is just open any browser on your device. You can use the Safari browser. All right, once you have opened the Safari browser, you need to go to this website, that is Down Detector. Now here go to the first website that you can see right here, and you need to search for WhatsApp. Now here tap on the WhatsApp Messenger, and this will show you if the other users of WhatsApp are also facing issues while using the app or not, or it is only you who is not able to send messages or use it properly. So basically this platform shows the server status of all the major social media applications including WhatsApp. So whenever you are facing issues with WhatsApp or any other social media applications, you can come here on Down Detector and you can search for the app, and this will tell you if the server of this particular application is down or not. And in case if the server is down, so you need to wait till the services get restored, and in that case you cannot do anything except waiting. All right, so yeah, for that time period you will not be able to use the application properly, and you need to wait till the services get restored. And you can come again to this page and you can recheck if the services have been restored or not. So that's how you can fix issues while using WhatsApp. And if this video was of help for you, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more informative and useful videos. And if you have any doubts, issues or queries, do let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.